How to fix Windows 10 blue screen of death after Windows update. Blue screen of death, or BSOD, is a serious error on Windows that occurs due to a system crash or a software malfunction. It can result to data loss, and often computer automatically shuts down. There are times when in Windows Update get corrupted and triggers BSOD error on your computer. For today's video, let us talk about several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix Windows 10 blue screen of death. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, perform a system restore. A system restore is a recommended solution and the initial step to fix the issue, since the blue screen of death is caused by a defective Windows update. With system restore, restore points are created to revert Windows to its previous state before the error started. To do this, at the search bar located at the lower left, type Restore Point. Click Create a Restore Point option. Under System Protection tab, click Create tab. Create a restore point description that you like, for example, Restore March 1st, and click Create tab. Windows will now create a restore point. Click System Restore tab, then click Next tab. Select Restore Point you created, then click Next. Click Finish to confirm to restore your system. Second solution, uninstall the faulty update. If you do not want to perform a system restore and prefer to remove only the defective update, you can do so. To do this, press Windows located at the lower left. Click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security. Click View Update History, then click Uninstall Updates. A list of update will appear. Choose from the list the faulty update that's causing blue screen of death to appear. Then, click Uninstall. A prompt message if you want to uninstall the update, click Yes tab to confirm. Restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if blue screen of death issue still occurs. Third solution, perform system scans. Another solution that you can try to fix the issue is to do a system file checker and deployment image servicing management scans. If the blue screen of death issue is caused by a corrupt system file, performing a system file checker scan helps fix the issue. On the other hand, if the blue screen of death issue is caused by a damaged system image, performing a DISM scan can help fix the issue. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and press enter. Then type the command dism/online/cleanup image/scan health. Wait for scan process to complete. If after DISM scan and the result reports issues, type the command dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. The repair process takes some time to complete. After the process is completed, restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if blue screen of death issue still occurs. Fourth solution, update driver. Outdated drivers can also cause blue screen of death to occur after a system update is installed. Make sure to update drivers and check if the issue will be fixed. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type devim gmtmsc and press Enter or click OK. At Device Manager window, click on the faulty driver to expand it. Let us use network adapters as an example. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Click the option Search automatically for drivers. After best drivers for the device are already installed, click Close to exit. Fifth solution, reset Windows. If none of the solutions mentioned fails to fix blue screen of death issue, you may need to reset Windows. The process returns the computer's operating system to a fresh start. This solution is helpful if you are experiencing software-related issues. After resetting Windows, all the programs that didn't come with pre-installed will be removed, and all customized settings will return back to default settings. To do this, press Windows located at the lower left, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery at left pane. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started tab. Choose from the options, Keep My Files or Remove Everything. two options to choose from, either to keep files or remove everything. You will then be asked how Windows will be installed, either a local Uninstall or cloud download. Click Next, then finally click Reset tab. Restart computer. Once computer completely restarts, check if blue screen of death issue still occurs. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.